Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through our high-performing website model built specifically for roofing businesses. It's clean, modern, and built with one goal in mind: turning more visitors into qualified leads. We'll start by walking through the homepage layout, then take a look at a sample area page, and finally explore a localized service page so you can see how everything connects. After that, we'll head into the backend where I'll show you how easy it is to manage all of this using custom fields without ever needing a developer. You'll also see how the site structure is optimized for SEO, PPC, and local visibility across every area you serve. Let's get started by taking a quick look at the homepage. First up is the hero section. This is the first thing visitors see, so it needs to immediately answer three questions: who you are, what you do, and what to do next. The headline is clear and confident. The subtext adds context, and the call to action buttons give visitors an easy next step, whether it's requesting a quote or calling your team directly. On the right, we are using real project photos to build instant visual credibility. These can easily be swapped out with your own images. We've also added trust markers like 20 plus years in business or 1200 plus roofs installed, etc. These are quick stats that give people confidence before they even scroll. Just below the hero, we've included a high converting lead form. It's short, clean, and mobile friendly, and has been placed here intentionally for visitors who are already ready to reach out. This form can be connected to your CRM, your inbox, or any third-party service, and you can customize the form fields to suit your workflow. The next section includes a message from the business owner. This adds a personal touch and helps the website feel more human. It gives you space to speak directly to your customers, share your values, what sets your roofing company apart, or even your story. Visitors want to know they are dealing with real people, and this section creates that connection. Below that, we've added a visually engaging carousel that links to your core service pages. This makes it incredibly easy for visitors to explore what you offer, and from an SEO perspective, it strengthens internal linking to your key pages. If you scroll down a bit, this section is designed for a short explainer video, whether it's a company overview, a project time lapse, or a quick walkthrough of your processes. Paired with a short intro and a call to action, this is a great way to engage visitors who prefer visuals over reading. Next up, the visual proof section, a slider that showcases your recent work. Roofing is a visual industry, and this is where you show off the quality of your craftsmanship. You can add before and after comparisons, in progress shots, or completed jobs, and it's all responsive and easy to update. Real customer feedback builds trust like nothing else. This section lets you display hand-picked reviews or automatically pull in testimonials from your Google business profile. Social proof like this helps remove doubt and makes it easier for new visitors to take that next step. If you serve multiple cities or regions, this section is for you. Each of these links points to a dedicated area page like roofing services in Bloomington, with localized content tailored to that specific city or town. This structure helps in three big ways. First, it improves local SEO by targeting individual locations with relevant content and keywords. Second, it creates clean content silos that search engines love. Third, it gives your visitors a more personal experience. They see services available exactly where they live. Whether you serve 3 areas or 30, this layout keeps things organized and scalable. This section automatically shows your latest blog posts, which keeps the site fresh and helps you rank for more long tail keywords over time. You can use blog posts to answer common questions, highlight recent jobs, or educate customers on your process. Just before the footer, there's one final call to action to catch visitors who have made it all the way down. It's simple and action oriented. A last nudge to request a quote or give you a call. The footer itself is clean and minimal with links to all your key pages and social handles, making navigation easy. So that's the homepage, structured, conversion focused, and designed to perform. Now let's take a look at how we handle location specific content, starting with the sample area page. I'll open the Bloomington page to show you how we have structured the layout, tailored the content, and set things up to perform well, both for visitors and for local search visibility. So this is a dedicated area page, in this case for Bloomington. These pages are designed to help you rank for local searches like roofing company in Bloomington or roofing experts near me. They also give visitors a more relevant experience by showing content tailored to their city. The page starts with a localized hero section that includes the city name, a concise headline, and a clear call to action so visitors instantly know you serve their area. Just below that, we've placed a lead capture form to make it easy for local homeowners to get in touch, whether they are looking for a quote or just have a question. Next is a simple content block with text on the left and an image on the right. This is ideal for introducing your presence in the area. You can mention how long you've served the city, the types of roofing projects you've handled locally, or any unique considerations for the region. Then comes the service carousel. This links out to localized service pages within Bloomington. Each of these cards points to a dedicated page like roof installation in Bloomington or gutter repair in Bloomington. This internal linking structure keeps your site organized and creates a clean content silo for every location, which is excellent for local SEO. You'll also notice that each of these URLs includes the location name, helping search engines better understand and rank your pages by geography. Next is a video section, perfect for reusing your main company explainer, highlighting a project in this area, or speaking directly to local homeowners. Below that is the project showcase, a visual section where you can highlight completed work, ideally from the same city or surrounding areas. Then we have testimonials, which help build trust with potential customers who want to see real feedback from others in the area. There's a section linking to nearby service areas. These outbound links help connect all your local pages together, creating a strong internal linking structure for SEO. Finally, there's a localized FAQ section. This is where you can address city-specific questions like emergency availability, coverage zones, or typical response times for this location. Now let's click into one of the services, for example, roof installation in Bloomington. Where's that? Okay, there you go. And take a look at how the service pages are structured and how they are powered on the backend. These pages are where most of your traffic will land from Google searches like roof installation Bloomington or roof installation company near me, and they are structured to convert that traffic into leads. Right at the top, we have a localized headline and call to action with the area and service clearly mentioned. This helps with both clarity for the visitor and keyword relevance for SEO. Just below the hero, we've placed a lead capture form. It's positioned here so visitors can take action without having to scroll too far. Next up is a value proposition section where you can emphasize your strengths in delivering this specific service. It's a great place to talk about quality, reliability, warranty, or unique selling points tied to roof installation. Then comes a benefits section. It highlights what customers can expect when they choose you. These can be edited for each service page. The key here is flexibility. You are not logged into generic bullet points. You can customize each one to fit the service and location. This is where you can include a short video, either a company overview, a customer testimonial, or a walkthrough of a recent roof installation project. Video builds trust fast and keeps users engaged. We've included two separate content sections, ideal for adding SEO rich and helpful content. This content can be tailored per page and is a great opportunity to add relevant details that improve rankings and build local trust. Then we have a visual gallery of recent roof installation projects. Ideally, you will feature photos from this service in this location or similar areas nearby. These images speak louder than words. Homeowners get to see the quality of your work, not just read about it. Next, we have a testimonial slider. You can pull in reviews related to roof installation or from customers in Bloomington. This local plus service alignment is very persuasive for potential clients. This section links to your other services in Bloomington, roof repair, gutter installation, etc. It helps with internal linking and gives visitors a clear path if roof installation isn't exactly what they need. Finally, a frequently asked questions section specific to roof installation in Bloomington. You can customize these based on common inquiries you get. Now that you've seen how a service page is laid out, let's jump into the backend and I'll show you how all of this is powered by custom fields. You won't need a developer to update this site ever. We've structured each service page template with a series of easy to follow tabs. Let's say you want to update the hero headline for this page. You just head to the hero tab, type your new text in this field and hit save. That's it. The change is live instantly. Or maybe you want to change the content for the FAQs. You come to this tab, make the desired changes and hit save. You can easily navigate through the other tabs, whether it's updating the video, swapping hero slider images, or tweaking benefit statements. Whatever you update will instantly reflect in the corresponding sections on the front end. It's all intuitive, structured, and built to manage with ease. The entire backend is designed so your team or even you can manage updates on your own. Want to launch a new service area? Just duplicate an existing one, change the city name and content, and you are ready to go. No rebuilds, no waiting on developers. The system grows effortlessly alongside your business. And that wraps up the walkthrough. As you've seen, the layout is built to perform, and the backend makes it easy to keep everything up to date as your business grows. Whether you are adding new service areas, updating photos, or tweaking your content, it's all designed to stay flexible without needing a developer. If you'd like to see how this would look with your branding, your logo, your colors, and your service areas, just reach out and we'll set up a full demo for you. We only partner with one roofing company in each location. So if you are even a little curious, it's worth having that conversation sooner rather than later. Thanks for watching, and I hope to chat with you soon.